Taittiriya Aranyak. Exploring the sacred wilderness of knowledge and spiritual wisdom in the Krishna Yajur Veda. The Taittiriya Aranyak, an integral part of the Krishna Yajur Veda, offers a profound journey into the mystical realm of rituals, meditations, and spiritual insights. This article delves into the depths of the Taittiriya Aranyak, exploring its composition, symbolism, meditative practices, and its enduring legacy as a bridge between the expanse of nature and the depths of the soul. Brief overview. Nestled within the Krishna Yajur Veda, the Taittiriya Aranyak beckons spiritual seekers to venture into the serene wilderness of metaphysical contemplation. This collection of texts, rituals, and philosophical reflections draws inspiration from nature and provides a platform for the exploration of both the external and internal landscapes. Composition and structure. The Taittiriya Aranyak consists of 10 chapters, each referred to as Anuvka. These chapters are further divided into sections known as Prabhaka, presenting a holistic view of rituals, philosophical discourses, and meditative practices. This organization reflects the connection between the sacredness of nature and the journey within. Symbolism of the wilderness. The term Aranyak itself means belonging to the wilderness. This suggests a retreat into solitude and contemplation, mirroring the ancient tradition of seeking spiritual wisdom in the solitude of forests. The Aranyak encourages individuals to engage with nature as a mirror to the self, inviting them to experience the divine in the vastness of the natural world. Meditative practices. At the heart of the Taittiriya Aranyak lie meditative practices that guide seekers towards inner transformation. These practices encompass visualization, repetition of sacred syllables, mantras, and contemplation on cosmic principles. Through these techniques, practitioners attain a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of all life forms. Cosmic symbolism. The Aranyak weaves cosmic symbolism into its teachings, equating various elements of nature with higher philosophical concepts. Rivers, fire, and celestial bodies are all used as metaphors to convey profound truths about the nature of reality and the inner journey of the seeker. Continued relevance. In the contemporary context, the Taittiriya Aranyak's teachings remain pertinent as humanity grapples with ecological concerns and the quest for spiritual fulfillment. Its emphasis on harmonizing with nature, introspective practices, and the pursuit of self-realization continues to inspire seekers to connect with the divine through both external and internal exploration. Conclusion. The Taittiriya Aranyak stands as a sanctuary of spiritual wisdom within the Krishna Yajur Veda. By immersing ourselves in its chapters, meditative practices, and reflections, we embark on a transformative journey. This journey invites us to explore the harmonious relationship between the boundless wilderness of nature and the infinite depths of the soul, fostering a profound connection between the sacredness of the outer world and the inner realms of spiritual insight.